macaroni over here with like kind of like some garlic a little bit.
That's not.
Huh? Yeah. It's not on Snapchat. I deleted Snapchat. Yeah, because of the macaroni. And then we have my mom. She is eating lobster. And we are currently at, what's it called? What's it called again? Shaking crab. And my brother over here, he's just praying. He's praying. Now he's like, what?
No, you can have it.
And then my dad. Oh, yeah, same. Yeah, my dad, he's just eating. And then, yeah.
Lobster. I had it.
And then this is their anniversary drink. Because it's their wedding anniversary today. It's their wedding anniversary today. Good job, Papito. Good job. Asia, you gonna watch this in a car? Huh? No?
I don't think I can finish that. You gonna finish it? Yeah.
It's big, right? That's a lot of calories, Daddy. You're gonna have to go to the gym.
You want more I mean more shrimp?
Sure. And right now, guys, I'm about to get some, what's it, shrimp? Oh no, where's it now? Yeah, next time I'm gonna get that in a bag, and that's gonna be my first time ever. Yeah, so all of this was for me. I had the chicken wing with fries, and I have macaroni with, what's it called? Macaroni with...
Don't drop it.
Huh?
Don't drop it.
I'm not gonna drop it. Don't you thought it looked good, guys? They made the shrimp good. It's all seasoned and everything. Oh. As you guys can see, I just took a bite. My food is actually really spicy. Ooh. Yeah, it's actually really spicy. How come Rachel always closes his eyes? It's good. Yeah.
Your bag is empty. Just dump everything in. You shouldn't dump it before you take it.
Seafood's good for your hair. If you know that, mommy, it's actually good for your hair. If you didn't know. Alright. Peace, guys. I'm about to go. I have to turn the thing off because we're about to start heading home and stuff. So bye. I'll record at my house when we open the cake. Alright, guys. Bye.